This is planet Ee-Arth. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a planet that was invaded by aliens 6,000 years ago. This planet is called Ee-Arth. Beneath the surface of planet Ee-Arth, the true rulers lurk in the shadows. You see, over 6,000 years ago, an advanced extraterrestrial species, the Alpha Draconis, arrived on Ee-Arth. They inspired legends of dragons amongst ancient Ee-Arthling cultures and introduced mind control through religions and debt-based monetary systems. The Alpha Draconis harvest an invisible energy called loosh from human suffering, treating planetary systems such as Ee-Arth as a negative energy farm. The Draconis use fear-based systems like religion and debt. They trap humanity in lower states of consciousness, tied to the lower survival energy centers or chakras. Once known as dragons, the Draconis ruled openly, but retreated underground as human consciousness evolved. Now they control society from the shadows, working through chosen bloodlines to rule the planet. Groups we often refer to as the Illuminati or the Deep State. But not all is lost. Opposing the Draconis, the Galactic Federation, an alliance of benevolent extraterrestrial beings, works to awaken humanity and to its true potential and free Earth from the consciousness prison in which it has been trapped. The Alpha Draconis only maintain power by suppressing humanity's consciousness and hiding their multidimensional nature. The Draconis' greatest fear is Ee-Arthlings awakening to their psychic abilities and intergalactic heritage. Join me on this journey in Season 1 of the story of Ee-Arth. Will the Galactic Federation's ships, seen worldwide, including recent sightings in New Jersey and England, finally awaken humanity to their presence?